Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise convenience and efficiency. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and user-friendliness to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to ice production, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive capacity of 33 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings or parties. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice in the same time frame. While both machines are efficient, the EASYERA model has a clear edge in terms of output, ensuring you have plenty of ice on hand for any occasion. Both the EASYERA and Aeitto Ice Makers come equipped with self-cleaning functions, which is a significant advantage for maintaining hygiene and performance. The EASYERA model offers a straightforward self-cleaning process, while the Aeitto also emphasizes its automatic cleaning feature, making both machines user-friendly and convenient for regular maintenance. This ensures that you can enjoy fresh ice without the hassle of manual cleaning. The type of ice produced is another critical factor to consider. The EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for drinks and cocktails, providing a delightful texture. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker creates bullet ice, which is great for cooling beverages quickly, but lacks the chewable quality of nugget ice. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. In conclusion, both the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you prioritize higher ice production and enjoy nugget ice, the EASYERA is the way to go. However, if you prefer a reliable machine that produces bullet ice and is compact, the Aeitto might be your best choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.